Today we're going to be creating 2 paintings using 10 by 20 canvases and 6 colors. We're going to be using medium gray, royal blue, mineral, metallic rose gold, pure white, and metallic gold. I am going to be using 2 cups for these canvases, and they're going to be cups that I've already poured with, so they look like they're dirty, but they're dry on the inside. We're going to start by pouring the white paint and mixing in some mineral, proceeding with the metallic rose gold, and then a bit of the medium gray, followed by some of the royal blue, and then I'm going to put them on the canvas and let the magic happen. Here you can see I'm using the metallic gold and I'm drizzling it across the already poured paint. Now I'm going to use my handheld torch to encourage some selling throughout the painting. For the second painting, I'm going to be using the same cups I had used on the first painting, starting out with white, followed by some rose gold, and then the medium gray, some royal blue, and then some mineral. And a little bit of rose gold to just make sure. Now I'm going in with the torch once more, but this time with better results. Now instead of pouring just globs of paint on, I'm using a popsicle stick and I'm drizzling the gold in the select spots, mainly around those cells. And then I'm going to take my torch over those spots to help encourage the paints to blend together. So I paired this set with a 12 by 24 that I painted off camera, and I'm actually using this in my room. That's where I got these 6 colors. Thank you so much for watching. This has been Anna with MarbelousTX. There's a link in the description to a MarbelousTX posting if you would like to have your own custom colored pour painting.